Here's an old awesome Otis Pre-Lexan traction lift at Lincraft in Toowoomba. Shaft view. Take a look at the door sensors there to see these. We're going to be lift number 1, Lincraft, 423 Ruthven Street, Toowoomba, Queensland 43350. Contract number 244313. Maximum load 1175 kilograms, 15 persons. It's the basement level. Go back up to M. That button does, this button here, what it basically does is it indicates that the lift will not stop at where the person's called it. So what it does, it will go straight to that level, straight to the level you've pushed in the lift. That's very cool. That's what I do like about old lifts. We'll go to ground and end it. There's your alarm and there's your emergency stop. You're at G. Watch it go. There it goes. That's it.